America is reeling under immense pressure due to the pandemic as the number of cases continues to spread across the country. Leadership from the 50 U.S. states are scrambling to fight the virus and try to kickstart the stalled economy. The death toll in the U.S. has crossed the 100,000 mark, making it the worst affected country in the world. COVID-19 related deaths are largely being reported from urban clusters and areas. New York State, which alone accounts for more than 29,000 deaths till now, is also being trailed by New Jersey, Illinois, California and Massachusetts.
We mourn for every life the virus has claimed, and we share the grief of all of you who have lost a loved one.
Apart from healthcare professionals, doctors and nurses, other frontline workers fighting the pandemic are the funeral rites workers. As funeral homes in New York continue to be overwhelmed by the increasing number of deaths, they are running out of resources to cremate or embalm the deceased bodies.
And it's just hard. You wake up in the morning and like yesterday, and you kind of worry about what news you're going to get. And first thing was a message from a friend who was asking that I assist her with her father's obituary. He had passed on Sunday. And then within a few hours, I get another text message as I'm driving, and that text informs me that my aunt had passed away. And it's just, it just all becomes very surreal.
U.S. President Donald Trump has urged businesses to reopen and begin their operations once again. He has also ordered several stores to begin their services as many parts of the world are trying to ease lockdown measures and embrace the post-COVID-19 life.
You want to keep it the way it is. You don't want to see panic because there's no reason to be panicked about. But when I mentioned the flu, I said, actually, I asked the various doctors, I said, is this just like flu? Because people die from the flu. And this is very unusual. And it is a little bit different, but in some ways it's easier and in some ways it's a little bit tougher. But we have it so well under control. I mean, we really have done a very good job. Go ahead.
The coronavirus crisis is far from over in the United States. As Russia, Latin America and Asia emerge as the new COVID-19 epicenters, cases in the U.S. also seem to be increasing. As of now, the lethal pandemic has infected more than 1.72 million people and over 100,000 have been killed. President Trump has also ordered that flags at the federal buildings be flown half-staff for the next 3 days to condole the death of victims.